Aphids are tiny, soft-bodied insects that can quickly become a major problem in any vegetable garden. They feed on plant sap, weakening your plants and hindering their growth. These pests can also transmit plant viruses, further jeopardizing your harvest. Recognizing aphids early is key to effective control. Look for small clusters of green, black, yellow, or even pink insects on the undersides of leaves, new shoots, and flower buds. Sticky residue, known as honeydew, is another telltale sign. The best defense against aphids is a proactive approach. Regularly inspect your plants, especially new growth, at least a few times a week. Catching an infestation early makes it much easier to manage. Consider companion planting to deter aphids naturally. Plants like garlic, chives, and marigolds are known to repel these pests. Planting them strategically around your vegetables can create a protective barrier. Attracting beneficial insects is another powerful preventative measure. Ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies are natural predators of aphids. Provide them with a welcoming habitat by planting dill, cilantro, or cosmos. When you spot aphids, your first line of defense should be non-chemical methods. A strong spray of water from your garden hose can dislodge many aphids from your plants. Repeat this every few days until the population is under control. For more stubborn infestations, insecticidal soaps are highly effective. These soaps work by breaking down the aphid's outer layer, causing dehydration. Always follow product instructions carefully and apply in the early morning or late evening. Neem oil is another excellent organic option. It acts as an anti-feedant and growth disruptor for aphids, preventing them from maturing and reproducing. Apply neem oil thoroughly to all affected plant surfaces, including the undersides of leaves. Implementing crop rotation can significantly reduce aphid populations over time. Avoid planting the same vegetable families in the same spot year after year. This disrupts the aphid life cycle and reduces their ability to establish. Maintaining good garden hygiene is also crucial. Remove any plant debris or weeds that could harbor aphids or their eggs. A clean garden environment makes it harder for pests to find refuge and multiply. Understanding the aphid life cycle helps in planning your control efforts. They reproduce rapidly, often without mating, meaning a small problem can quickly escalate. Consistent monitoring and timely intervention are essential. Protecting your vegetable garden from aphids requires vigilance and a multifaceted approach. By combining early detection, preventative measures, and targeted non-chemical treatments, you can keep these pests at bay. A healthy garden is a resilient garden. Remember, patience and persistence are key in organic pest control. Continue to monitor your plants regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Your efforts will be rewarded with a thriving, productive vegetable patch.